This training tool will describe the steps to upload, calculate, and order the BE FREE Ortho K lens through its unique online platform. This video is designed specifically for Medmont topographer users to help streamline the process. The Medmont topographer and the BE FREE system have been designed to work together as seamlessly as possible to streamline the process of calculating a highly customized orthokeratology lens. Prior to uploading maps to the BE FREE site, Medmont users should define 3 items in the topographer's software. This avoids extra steps on the BE FREE site during processing. First, click on the Clinical tab and enter the patient's spectacle Rx so the BE FREE software can calculate the therapy target. Second, define the best right and left topographies with the baseline tag so the software knows which maps to begin lens construction from. Third, define the visible iris diameter for both eyes so the BE FREE site can calculate the ideal lens diameter for each eye. These 3 attributes can be defined in any order prior to uploading the maps. For additional information on these steps, see the video on integrating Medmont topography. When the 3 steps have been completed, you are ready to upload the maps to the BE FREE site. Highlight the maps you want to send. Then select the Home tab and click on the Cloud Link icon. A link status window will appear and confirm that the maps were successfully uploaded from your Medmont topography software to the BE FREE site. The fastest way to open the BE FREE software and find the patient is to simply click on the View Patient link in the status window. This will take you directly to the BE FREE login page where you can enter your password and move on to calculating your BE FREE lenses. The software will automatically take you into the patient file that you had uploaded. Notice the patient name is taken off the topography, the date of birth has been uploaded, the Rx is populated, the visible iris diameter. All of this information that we've defined in the topographer is collected by the BE FREE software. And most importantly, we can see our topographies have been uploaded, so we're ready to calculate the lenses. Let's scroll down. We'll click on the Start New Design button, then select the BE FREE, and then click Start Design. On this side of the window, we can see the current design parameters. The spherical component of the Rx is here, our therapy target of -4, the visible iris diameter, the corneal data that it requires to build the lens, and a portion of our lens parameters. Let's take a moment and look at this window here. We see the patient age is 11, somebody that would be appropriate for myopia management, and therefore a 5.5 millimeter optic zone has been selected. The software has measured the sagittal differential at 33 microns. That's assessing the peripheral corneal toricity to understand if we need a symmetric or toric landing. Eyes with 30 microns or greater of peripheral corneal toricity or sagittal differential will be fit in a toric, and for this patient, a toric has been selected because the sag differential is 33 microns. Finally, the visible iris diameter was measured as 11.7, and the software has selected for us a 10.9 diameter lens for this patient. You'll notice here that the software has collected from the topography the information it needs to construct the parameters of the lens. So it's pulled the specific topographical data that's required to build the height, the shape, the effect that's needed for the patient. As you can see, the software has automated the customization of the lens parameters for this patient. You can click on Edit if you desire to change any of the recommendations that the software has made. But typically, trusting in the software will provide a high first fit success and the optimal outcome for your patient. Next, let's scroll down. We can see here some of the parameters that the BE FREE software has selected for this patient. And basically, we're ready to calculate the left eye. Let's go down to Start Design on the left eye. Of course, we want a BE FREE lens for this patient. We can click Start Design. This will bring up that same window where we have the design parameters, we have our topography, and we have the recommendations. We notice that on this eye, the sagittal differential is slightly higher, 38 microns, again over the threshold of 30 microns, so the BE FREE software has chosen a toric. The optic zone size has been selected appropriate for myopia management in an 11-year-old patient. And we have our lens diameter calculated from the visible iris diameter. We're now ready to process the left eye as well. Let's scroll down. And we can select Review Order. The BE FREE software has determined all the parameters that the lab needs to place the order. Let's scroll down to take the next step. If this is the first time that we've processed an order and we want to make sure that we've done it correctly, we can click here on Request Consultation. And if we want to add any notes for our Precision and Cardinal consultant, we can click on Edit. If consultation isn't required and you want to send this order directly to customer service for immediate processing, then uncheck the Request Consultation and then click Submit. The order is then automatically sent to the lab. You will receive an email confirmation so that you know that the order has been processed through to the Precision and Cardinal team. If any additional questions come to mind, please reach out to the Precision and Cardinal team. Thank you.